Welcome back to the tutorial. What are we doing today? Just going to build out this register and the sign in page. Pretty much the same page, except you just change this title here. That's pretty much it. So you'll just copy and paste to make these. And you see up here that is there also, and I'll just show you this quickly. Okay, in the console, so you fill this out. Here's the thing, if you don't put the email @ symbol in, it'll give that error. So just put in anything, but with the @ symbol. Password, anything, username, anything, login, and then it will log it in the thing here, in the console. Okay, so we'll go to the code now. So we'll start the sign in page. Okay, so we just have the state here. It's important to get all these. I'll just show you something quickly actually. If you make sure you download this program, which allows us to do this. Do that and press enter, so RCE, that will build a class component and stuff like that. Probably the class component's the one you use most. Anyway, so go back to where I was. So it's a state, these are the functions, arrow functions. This means e.target.id, so the ID is email, so that means email. Set the state for email to the value that we find in the input field. So whatever we put in the input field, so this is how you relate. So this email will be there, or if it's in the password, it'll be there, and then it will update it with what you put in the input field to update the state here. I hope that is clear. Okay, and then this e.prevent default, when you click handle submit on the form, this is a form here, all the way down to here. It actually refreshes the page, so we don't want that, so that's why you put the e.prevent default. Okay, so then come down here. If you need to, pretty much what you just copy and paste this, and then change it to password or username. Okay, so email, that error I showed you before with the @ symbol, that's because you've put the type email. Type password will give you the hidden case, and then text will just be text. So make sure you got all this, and then it's got a button, and then remember all this is, that's just Materialize CSS. So then you just want to go Command A, Command C, close down this, and then you might want to just paste it all there, but I've already done it. So this page is exactly the same. I think the only thing you change is this title here. Okay, so that's it. So that's pretty simple. And then you want the signed out links, so you don't need to import any of this stuff here. You just want to put it in /register /sign in. But this won't work until you go to the app.js file, and then you want to have this. See, that will set the path there to this component. So you want to do this and this, those two full lengths, and then remember to import them up here. Yeah, and that's probably it for this lesson. The next lesson, what we'll do is, sorry, not the next lesson, but coming lessons, we'll sign in to an actual database, you call it, or an authenticating page. Sorry. We'll sign into Google's Firebase, which is pretty much a thing that lets you have users and stores values in the database. It's called Firebase, made by Google. Yeah, so in the future lessons we'll actually log in, have a user with a password, sorry, we'll register, and then we'll sign into that account. It'll say logged in, successful, and then you can write to your database and stuff like that. So that's coming in the next few lessons. I'll see you